Hello everyone, this is Devamita from PCS Global Pvt. Hope you guys are doing well, right? So guys, in my previous session, I've talked about so many things. I've tried to provide you the best knowledge about life, about career, how you can write down on professionalism, what are the things you need to do in nature interview, how you can prove yourself in an organization. So I've tried to provide you the best knowledge as per my knowledge. So in my today's session, I've tried to provide you the knowledge, the basic knowledge about AI and machine learning. Right now, I'm going to talk about the artificial intelligence definition. What is the definition of artificial intelligence and the basic of AI? Okay. So at first, if we talk about the artificial intelligence, we need to understand the AI. Broadly speaking, artificially intelligent systems can perform tasks commonly associated with human cognitive functions, such as the interpreting speech, playing games, and identifying patterns. They typically learn how to do so by processing massive amount of data, looking for patterns to model in their own decision making. So in many cases, humans will supervise an AI's learning process, reinforcing good decisions and discouraging bad ones. But some AI systems are designed to learn without supervision, for instance, by playing a video game over and over until they eventually figure out the rules and how to win. So what is called strong AI versus weak AI? So intelligence is tricky to define, which is why AI experts typically distinguish between strong AI and weak AI. So what is called strong AI? Strong AI, also known as artificial general intelligence, is a machine that can solve problems it's never been trained to work on, much like human can. This is this is the kind of AI we see in movies like the robots from Westworld or the character data from the Star Trek. The next generation, this type of AI doesn't actually exist yet. The creation of machine with human level intelligence that can be applied to any task in Holy Grail for many AI researchers. But the quest of artificial general intelligence has been fought with difficulty, and some believe that strong AI research should be limited due to the potential risk of creating a powerful AI without appropriate the guardrails. So, in contrast to weak AI, strong AI represents a machine with a full set of cognitive abilities and such an equally wide array of use cases. But time hazard is the difficulty of achieving such a fit. So, what is called weak AI? Weak AI sometimes refers to as narrow AI or specialized AI. So, operates within a limited context and is a simulation of human intelligence applied to a narrowly defined problem like driving a car and transcribing human speech or the curating content on a website. Weak AI is often focused on performing a single task extremely well. While these machines may seem intelligent, they operate under far more constraints and the limitations that even the most basic human intelligence. So, weak eye examples like that is Siri, Alexa, and other smart assistants, self-driving cars, Google search, conversational bots, and the email spam filters, Netflix recommendations. So, right now, I'm going to talk about what is the difference between machine learning and deep learning. Although the terms machine learning and deep learning come up frequently in conversations about AI, they should not be used interchangeably. Deep learning is a form of machine learning, and machine learning is a subfield of artificial intelligence. So we all know about machine learning, right? So and deep learning also. So right now I'm trying to provide you the examples of artificial intelligence. The four types of AI we must see. That is, AI can be divided into four categories based on the type of the complexity of the task a system is able to perform. There, the reactive machine, first one. The second one is limited memory. The third one is theory of mind. The fourth one is self-awareness. So what is called reactive machine? A reactive machine follows the most basic of AI principles and is capable of only using its intelligence to perceive and react to the world in front of it. A reactive machine cannot store a memory and as a result cannot rely on past experiences to inform decision making in real life. Perceiving the world directly means that reactive machines are designed to complete only a limited number of specialized duties. Internationally, narrowing a reactive machine's worldview has its benefits. However, this type of AI will be more trustworthy and reliable, and it will react the same way to the same stimuli every time. So, what is called reactive machine learning? Examples like Deep Blue was designed by IBM in 1990 as a chess-playing supercomputer and defeated international grandmaster Gary Kasparov in a game. Deep Blue was only capable of identifying the pieces on a chessboard and knowing how each move based on the rules of chess. So, acknowledging each piece's present position and determining what the most logical move would be at the moment. The computer was not pursuing future potential moves by its opponent or trying to put its own pieces in better position. Every turn was viewed as its own reality, separate from any other movement that was made beforehand. So, the next one, Google's AlphaGo is also incapable of evaluating future moves but relies on its own neural network to evaluate the development of the percent game, giving it an edge over Deep Blue in a more complex game. AlphaGo also bested world-class competitors of the game, defeating champion Go player Lee Sedol in 2016. What is called limited memory? Limited memory AI has the ability to store previous data and predictions when gathering information and weighing potential decisions, essentially looking into the past for clues on what may come first. So, limited memory AI is more complex and presents greater possibilities than the reactive machine. Limited memory AI is created when a team continuously trains a model in how to analyze and utilize new data, or an AI environment is built so models can be automatically trained and renewed. When utilizing limited memory AI in ML, 6 steps must be followed. The first one is establish training data, create the machine learning model, ensure the model can make predictions, ensure the model can receive human or environmental feedback, store human and environmental feedback as data. Replicate the step above as a cycle. So, theory of mind. Theory of mind is just theoretical. We have not yet achieved the technological and scientific capabilities necessary to reach the next level of AI. The concept is based on the psychological premise or of understanding that other living things have thoughts and emotions that affect the behavior of oneself. In terms of AI machines, this would mean that the AI could comprehend how humans, animals, and other machines feel and make decisions through self-reflection and the determination, and then utilize that information to make decisions of their own. Essentially, machines would have to be able to grasp and process the concept of mind, the fluctuations of emotions in decisions making, and the itinerary of other psychological concepts in real time, creating a two-way relationship between people and AI. Self-awareness. Once theory of mind can be established, sometime well into the future of AI, the final step will be for AI to become self-aware. This kind of AI possesses human level of consequences or consciousness and understanding its own existence in the world as well as the presence of others. It would be able to understand what others may need based on not just what they communicate to them, but how they communicate it. So self-awareness is AI relies both on human researchers' understanding and the premise of the consciousness, and then learning how to replicate that so it can be built into machines. So artificial intelligence examples are like that. Artificial intelligence technology takes by form in many forms, from chatbot to the navigation app and the wearable fitness tracker. The examples are, first I will talk about the ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence chatbot capable of producing written content in a range of formats from essays to code and answers to simple questions. Launched in November 2022 by OpenAI. ChatGPT is powered by a large language model that allows it to closely evaluate human writing. ChatGPT also became available as a mobile app for iOS devices in May 2023 and for Android devices in July 2023. It is just one of many chatbot examples. So, Google Maps. Google Maps use location data from smartphones as well as users reported data on things like construction and car accidents to monitor the ebb and flow of the traffic and assess what the fastest route will be. Smart assistants. Personal AI assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Cortana use natural language processing. So, NLP to receive instructions from users to set reminders, search for online information, and control the lights in people's homes. In many cases, these assistants are designed to learn a user's preferences and improve their experience over time with better suggestions and more tailored responses. Snapchat filters. Snapchat filters use ML algorithms to distinguish between an image's subject and the background, track facial movements, and adjust the images on the screen based on what the user is doing. Self-driving cars. Self-driving cars are the recognizable example for deep learning, since they use deep neural networks to detect objects around them, determine the distance from other cars, identify traffic signals, and much more. Wearables. The wearable sensors and the devices used in the healthcare industry also apply deep learning to assess the health condition of the patients, including their blood sugar levels, blood pressure, and heart rate. They can also derive patterns from a patient's prior medical data and use that to anticipate any future health condition. So, Mu0, MU0, a computer program created by DeepMind, is a promising the fortune runner in the quest of achieve true artificial general intelligence. It has managed to master games it has not even been taught to play, including chess and an entire suite of archery games. So, though brute force playing games millions of times. So, what are the benefits and challenges of future of artificial intelligence? AI has many uses, from boosting vaccine development to automating detection of potential fraud. AI companies raised 66.8 billion in funding in 2022, according to CB Insights research, more than doubling the amount raised in 2020 because of its fast-paced adoption. AI is making waves in variety of industries. So, the first benefit I can talk about, that is safer banking. Business Insider Intelligence 2022 reports on AI in banking found more than half of financial services companies already use AI solution of risk management and revenue generation. The application of AI in banking could lead to upwards by 400 billion in savings. Better medicine. As for medicine, in 2021, World Health Organization, who noted that while integrating AI into the healthcare field comes with challenges, the technology holds great promise, as it could lead to benefits like more informed health policy and the improvement in the accuracy of diagnosing patients. Innovative media. AI has also made its mark on entertainment. The global market of AI in India in media and entertainment is estimated to reach 99.48 billion by 2023, growing from a value of 10.87 billion in 2021. According to Grandview Research, that expansion includes AI uses like recognizing the plagiarism and the developing high definition graphics. So guys, these are the benefits of AI. In my another session, I am going to talk about the challenges and the limitations of AI. So every technology is either the blessing or the curse on mankind, because It depends on how we use the technology. So each and every technology has been created by people like us, and we need to decide how we will use it. So what are the benefits of AI? Right now, I have talked about that. In my another session, I'm going to talk about the what are the challenges and the limitations to use AI. So guys, this is one now. In PCS Global, we are providing the training in Java. We are providing the training in Salesforce. We are providing the training in Java DevOps. So if you're a candidate, you wanted to start your career in IT and you don't know from where to start, we are here to help you. In each and every session, we provide the classes for 2 to 3 hours, 5 days in a week. And there are live project sessions that is also going on. And if you wanted to join right now, you will get the project from our side. In PCS Global, we provide the training, we provide the knowledge about technologies and all those things we do. That is end-to-end training. That is called the full stack training along with the project. So if you're a candidate who has that aspiration to work in about technologies, who has that knowledge about technology, but right now you need the practical knowledge, PCS Global is providing you the opportunity to work with us. And right now we have our international center in Bengaluru. And if you wanted to visit our center, kindly go over there. Our address is provided in the website. And there are numbers of our HR persons. You can call them to get to know about more about PCS Global. And our working sessions are going on. Our EILP, that is Employee Initiation Learning Program, that is also going on. That is our placement training program. Our CILP program is also going on. Kindly join and get the best from our side. So this is for now, guys. Bye for now. And if you find my videos are helpful, kindly subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, and do comment below. So this is for now.